Get ready to brighten up your countertops and workspaces with these color selectable LED under cabinet lights from PLT, available exclusively at 1000 Bulbs. These versatile LED under cabinet fixtures allow you to easily select from 5 different color temperature settings using the slider switch. Switch between 2700, 3000, 3500, 4000, or 5000 Kelvin. It's like having 5 fixtures in one. Warmer color temperatures from 2700 to 3500 Kelvin are perfect for general lighting. 4000 Kelvin and up is ideal for task lighting due to their brighter light. These selectable fixtures also have a CRI of 90, ensuring that colors appear how they would look under natural daylight. Available in multiple lengths, these under cabinet lights are designed for hardwire installation. With multiple knockouts located on the back, side, and ends of the fixture to allow for easy access to the LED driver, the fixture's slim profile allows them to surface mount into narrow spaces seamlessly. They can also be dimmed when paired with compatible dimmers. Built with longevity in mind, these under cabinet fixtures are UL damp location rated, ENERGY STAR certified, and come with a durable white finish. Use them in a wide range of commercial and residential applications such as kitchens, offices, display cases, workbenches, and other similar locations. For help finding the best LED light fixture for your application, call 855-948-5079 to speak with one of our US-based lighting experts, or shop at 1000bulbs.com. 1000 Bulbs, changing the way the world buys lighting.